Yeah, it's much better with sun, huh? It was a bit cloudy this morning, but now it's super clear.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we will share our experience skiing in Austria with the family. Our day usually started with a big buffet breakfast at the hotel where we were spoiled for choice. After breakfast, we made use of the hotel's kids club to drop our daughter that is too young for ski lessons. Then it was time to get our son ready for the bus taking the kids to ski lessons. Kids were accompanied by a childminder from the Post Family Resort. The hotel is 15 minutes away by bus from two ski areas, Heutal and Lofer.
This is more an area for learning how to ski. It's very quiet here. Only a few people in the ski school. Ready to ski? Great!
Ski instructors were very kind and engaging. Our son loved his 5-day ski lessons and the final race.
The proud papa. Yeah, our son made the second place now.
Me and my husband skied in the larger ski area of Almond Belt Lofer that boasts 48 kilometers of ski runs, mostly blue and red. It is the perfect place for beginner skiers of all ages and intermediate skiers as well. We had a couple of more snowy days, but the rest of the time we had perfect weather.
Enjoying the panoramic view.
Yes, the panoramic view is not on this side. There's no panoramic view, but there is something. Ah, it's there. Yes, and here you can see a bit of the panoramic view.
We have a bit of a snowstorm, so we're waiting for it to pass, and then we go down.
Today we started skiing around 10 and now it is 3 p.m. So we are exhausted by now and ready to go back to our hotel. But we had a great time today on the slopes. We had a sunny day. It was perfect for winter sports. So we are very happy to have had such a nice time here in Austria. After a day spent in the snow, it was time to warm up shortly in the sauna before meeting up with the kids. The Post Family Resort offers a great adult-only spa. My favorite spot was the outside onsen pool with gorgeous views. After picking up the kids, we spent most of the afternoon playing in the pool area. It had 2 splash pools, an indoor and outdoor pool, and a couple of slides that I may or may not have used a few times. Okay, I definitely used them. It was much too fun. There were many more activities for kids outdoors, including tennis and football courts, chess, trampolines, bikes, and a pony farm. Dinner was usually a highlight of the day. Kids could eat immediately from a dedicated hot buffet with all-time kids' favorites, and adults received dinner à la carte from a short menu. The quality was outstanding and products locally sourced. We were absolutely impressed with the quality of the meals and the dinner experience.
Okay, come. Hello.
The resort mascot, Wunki, would come by to pick up the kids for an extra bit of dancing to let parents finish their dinner. After this, both kids and parents were ready to go to bed, tired and happy. See you in the next one!